Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off or disable the restricted mode on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and again over here tap on the general option, which is just below the family center, and you will land over here where you can see the restricted mode option at the top of the screen. Now in order to turn off your restricted mode on YouTube Music app, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the restricted mode option, and when it turns to gray like this, your restricted mode on the YouTube Music app will be turned off or disabled. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.